Don't laugh for a joke. You know they do something to that cup soup here?
But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl dear.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm literally hiding with the outer door. I really hope when I hear my good. The thing is, I'm going to do the hot and spicy challenge. The twist to it though is my friend don't know say, because as she me said go buy the cup soup them, but me I tell her so we're gonna do the hot and spicy challenge later. She asleep right now, so that's why my people when they kind of come and watch this away. So yeah, me go put pepper in a fair cup soup and don't put no pepper in a my cup soup. So you don't know how the thing go listen, you have to watch till the end of the video. You have to watch till the end, do not skip out the ads. When you're watching the video and you see ads are run, just make the ads run. Don't next it off, don't skip it off. Make the ad run, watch the ads. When the ad's done, you just continue to watch the video. Guys, remember please to watch the video to the end. This is very important. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say this, but you have to watch the video to the end. Yes, so everybody always say prank kitty. Well, make a try prank kitty now. So una have to stay tuned, guys. Una have to stay tuned. Make a prank kitty now. Fan. Yeah, you. Stay tuned. Don't next half. Watch till the end. Make a prank her. The thing is, she's already gonna know that the camera is gonna be. We're gonna set up the camera, everything, because we tell her so we do a hot and spicy challenge. But pretty she don't know. Make a prank her. Can make a put one big olive pepper in a fire one. I'm not putting no pepper in a mine. Hopefully, we can get a good reaction out of that video. Yeah. So make a video when I go in, cause through she da wash, she just bathe her and say she not go on the bed. She said she lie down on the ground cause the ground cool. So she did it right now, lie down on the ground but she asleep. So I go in and make a peep little and make her see the girl asleep. Alright. Shh. Make her show her asleep here. So I tell her she da wash. So she asleep.
Can ghosts do things? I mean, can they make things happen in your life? I've had two patients in a row that have really reminded me of my dead.
Come on. Is it you or him? UFOs? I'm really used to life in the streets, so I know you're a fighter. You're a fighter. I've been out there 10 years, too. You know, Jamie and Dennis, look, you're smart. You gotta be smart. Take care of yourself on your own. I guess this, what you're doing in life now, refusing surgery, it's not smart. It's really food that long as you need.
Oh, alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. As I was saying before, we're doing the hot and spicy cup soup challenge. And what do you Kitty did a mix of our cup soup. I don't know what's wrong with her. She a mix of our cup soup. But anyways, guys, I already put the pepper in the cup soup. And me I give it a little time to mix. You have to give it a little time, Kitty.
Me I give you time.
Cover it up. You take out the pepper, Kitty?
In there. No man, no do that, man.
God forgive me, Jesus. Praise the Lord. No bad word. Aisha, love you, but no. Stay there. Stay there. Are you not eating yet?
This one, you don't smell it?
Yeah, I'm smelling it strong, man.
The pepper smell fresh.
Y'all start cough already. Me start, me remember who. Me start cough already and me
I
even
don't
know.
have my granny.
So guys, remember, watch the videos till the end. Do not skip out the ads. Don't skip out the ads. Don't skip out the ads. Okay? Okay, good. Alright, go Kitty, go. Stop! Sit down. Sit down. Could you pepper them pot up and make up soup, brother?
You give me more than you don't like it.
Me not give one, me give you more of me. Why me don't do that? You put seed in for me, you know?
See,
What you do? You can't eat this baby, you burn up.
with that.
You shall die. He said, you don't know. Wow. Oh, wow. Sit down, baby, sit down. You're afraid, brother. You hot, bad?
Yes.
Surprise!
Good.
No, sir. Hot man. Yeah, Kitty, you have to eat your drink coffee and eat your. Wait. Right on yes and not me. Kitty silent.
The hot man. I'm in the like cup soup, you know?
I soup you have to drink though, all this. Because you think you're smart and you must be all of the noodles. And now I drink no soup because when you know see the soup normally get the hot. Yes, baby.
And that me that do me that it is so till and make it go and
Yeah.
suck up your water.
You drink your water.
You pay for one.
Water like it's the eye to shit.
Pepper man, me not eat pepper in there.
But you get it like pepper.
No so.
Eh?
No so. Eat pepper in a soup me no like.
Yeah, no. Make you this no wicked baby. I mean, actually like it like this. I actually like it hot, so.
Don't like it carry on. I don't like it cup soup carry on. Hot like a
I trying to call me back.
You supposed to be in there? You supposed to be in there?
There. Nobody want
Everything changed after that.
Stay there.
But hot?
Love you too.
Stop!
Christ, one gun on my shoulder. No, you can't eat it hot.
Yo.
We're in a YouTube video, so you can't eat it too hot. Anyways, guys, so
This I got just go far because soup now don't feel no guy hot.
yeah. Seriously, what happened?
As my day we plant the pepper you want lick him in the back and broke him tonsil. When we kids so
This is actually very hot, guys. Like seriously.
Must be seeing piece underneath the root of this stuff, but you had your hair.
Stop. Yeah, wait till the water cool. That's why if you drink him.
It's cool like water,
Must
be
be.
hot or it be. Can never so hot like a while. We said the.
Yeah, yes, I can.
Me dey to why me dey promise myself to shooting. Goody hot girl man. Goody.
Tell me how many years who's good in?
I'm supposed to be
Your friend. Eh? Oh, you say?
Yes, me love.
Eh? Answer what?
Bobby.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay, then.
Let's see.
But cool. Uh-huh.
I'm not for me, man. Then you left this gone to that. To this. That.
Stop. Sit down now. Sit down with sister. Sit down with sister. Watch it something.
Me remember what I think you post it and then me post and then him post it.
Yeah?
Yes, girl.
Huh?
Him post it and then me did post dog that I want you chase.
Mm-hmm.
He said there and then him post in the evening.
Okay.
Because I know he look for and he look for me because I say look for and then I see him post it. I say, Kuya, I want to pop up. But he take it down when he say, so me look for and he take it down. I say, Kuya.
It's what it is. It's a life.
Hmm?
It's life.
Then man, I don't like my career.
Can you sit down? Can you please sit down, Aisha? Just sit down.
With the pussy Hulk, I want dead. No, sir. I need them.
Oh my God.
Katie pepper.
Mm-hmm.
God is good. See me? Me take up your look for me.
Hurry. Run go in the fridge one bag juice. They do.
You can't do
Run go in the
that.
fridge one bag juice. No, but me chewy pepper kitty.
You finish am said.
Brother, hurry up.
But me see then drink water. Oh, they drink water your look good. She hot man.
Come, Kitty, drink your soup, man.
Make you not drink it.
Come here, drink, man. That's why I make the pepper. Mm-hmm.
This can't do no.
You have to exercise me more. Yes, you can. Go sit down where Ariana is. Go down there so go sit down, Aisha. Here. You're welcome. Jesus Christ.
God, you're good.
No Christ Jesus. And Kitty, when you really drink cold Jesus Christ.
A milk if you drink.
Woo! We feel it now, brother.
A milk cool pepper. Hey, imagine when me touch it and then my bottom hot me. My bottom hot to you know? Too much pepper. Me have a sweat. Cup soup of the eating. They have one hot one, come hot originally. Make a bottle most buy no.
No.
So Jesus got thee. You know say it's a wicked girl though?
Awa.
Look what you do. That's why my belly is a bubble up so my mouth have tear off. I don't like your style. A wicked girl you know kuya? Be a pepper. You hot you know? Dead man. I don't like your style. Wicked. Could the people me a cup of milk and they mess me up? It hot like a fire. What name? Coronavirus! Pepper. You was on the road, could you? Me la sweat. Me la sweat, you know? No, but hot like a fire. Tyler, I think kind of funny.
You funny. Well, it's funny. Say it's funny.
$1 for a joke. You know, she do something to that cup soup here? You know, say she do something to that cup soup here. How for me pepper? How for me some pepper? I mean, there's no pepper in the fire, you know? Oh, God. Oh, God, up ahead for people look here.
I want you.
No hatty pepper hot. I'm fire some man. But the Jesus Christ, queer.
Jesus Christ, queer.
Back up off of my finger.
Up of my finger.
Up off of my finger.
Nasty.
But no God. I wouldn't say me that. Jesus Christ.
Aisha, come out of the video. Aisha.
Me no want no more. Me love a 2 pieces of pepper me get on one seed.
Kude, pepper, me name one.
Oh, so you give me the wrong one.
It looks so for true.
Yes man, that's why.
Because it look like me give her one for true.
Yes man. But this pepper too. No pepper in there, no pepper seed.
So I end up prank myself. Poor me.
So can't prank myself. God a God. Pepper bun me like good family. So me have you.
Pepper that bun you don't get to lie.
It hot man. You not smelly?
Not really.
It hot man.
Alright people. Let me try my pepper so. Kitty tricked me. Kitty tricked me. The initial plan was not an actual challenge, guys. It was a prank. For her to drink the one with the cups, the pepper, and I don't drink any pepper at all. That was the initial plan. But this girl switch it. And she can't tell me that she not switch it.
Me never go in like it in these. So me not switch it. You let the pepper them on the counter when me go in
Yeah.
there. So me never put no pepper in there. You go in there, go do it and give me the other one instead of the one we forget. I know me. Are you care cup soup and give me them?
Okay, so God pranked me. God pranked me.
Are you care cup soup?
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Honestly, feel like me swallow pepper or something.
So we not finish me today.
Can't go no further. I don't know about you, but me can't go no further.
Oh, what color? I see. I don't like seed.
Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys kind of enjoyed. I know it was a little bit boring, but I hope we have a laugh somewhere along the line. Wow.
You give the bed, you give drop man.
Yeah.
Okay, pepper, you need me pepper instead of me.
Idiot. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.
Yes.